Go. Oh my God, go. Release the Kraken. She go. Ceci, que isso?
What is that? Where are you going? Ceci! Look at the present!
Ceci, now look here. Oh my gosh. What are those? Que é isso? What is this?
Merry Christmas, Seth! Merry Christmas! What do you have? Let's open some presents from Santa? Yeah! Let's sit down. Daddy, get her, get her, get her! Where are you going?
Yeah, look at Christmas stuff.
Just get her.
Sis, come here. Sis, look at. Sis, Eugene.
Pick her up. Look at this. Sit her down. No, on the floor. Look, sweetie, there's something in there. Look. Oh. Can you open it? Daddy's gonna help you.
Hey. Says, from Santa says, oh my God. No red said Santa. Look, says, open here. Open says, here. Go. Go, says, here. Oh my gosh.
Pretty
Yeah.
close.
What is this? Let's see what this says. Ooh, that's so cute. It's gonna be amazing on you.
This is
Wow.
from Aunt Brenda and Uncle Roland and Bridgie and Patrick. Open, sis.
This is
Where are you
it. Look
going?
here. Look, it's oh my gosh. It's from the Coens, Uncle Roland, Aunt Brenda.
Open it, sis.
See, it says, look here.
Open.
Look here, it says.
I think you're gonna like it. She likes the tags.
Yes, she's trying to know who sent you her. What was from Santa? Says, look here. Wait. Says, Cecilia.
Ceci, open.
Oh. Look. Cecilia, aqui, Ceci. Oh my gosh. What is this?
Who is that? Is that Rapunzel?
It's Rapunzel.
Seth's favorite movie.
Ooh.